After having your baby, do you feel like your body doesn't feel like yours anymore? Loose tummy, sagging breast, stubborn fat that just doesn't go away. First of all, you are not alone. Pregnancy changes the body beautifully, but sometimes those changes don't fully reverse. Today, I'll explain what's a mommy makeover really is in simple language so you can decide what's right for you. A mommy makeover is not one single surgery, it's a combination of procedures that help restore the body after pregnancy. It includes tummy tuck to tighten your loose skin and muscles, breast lift or breast augmentation to correct the breast sagging, liposuction to remove the stubborn fat. Not everyone needs all three. It's a customized based on your body and your concerns. Now let's understand why does the body changes after pregnancy. During pregnancy, the skin stretches, the abdominal muscles separate, hormones change, fat distribution changes. After delivery, some things go back, but the loose skins and the muscle separation often don't fully recover. That's why even with diet and exercise, some women still feel unhappy with the tummy or the breast. Be a good candidate when you're done with having your children, your weight is stable, you are not having breastfeeding, you are not breastfeeding, you are generally healthy. If you plan another pregnancy soon, it's better to wait. The surgery is not about perfection, it's about feeling confident in your body again. Is mommy makeover safe when done by a qualified plastic surgeon? Yes, it's a safe surgery. In a proper hospital setup, yes, it's a safe surgery. But like any other surgery, it requires proper planning, pre-operative test, good health, realistic expectations. Choosing the right surgeon matters more than choosing the lowest cost. Now let's talk about recovery. Recovery is not 2 days and done. You will need 2 to 3 weeks of light activity, 4 to 6 weeks for full recovery. Support garments, pressure garments, proper rest, and yes, you will need help at home, especially with lifting kids. Planning recovery properly makes a huge difference. Will the fat come back? Surgery removes the fat cells, but if lifestyle is not maintained, the remaining fat cells can expand. So discipline matters. Healthy eating, light exercise after recovery, stable weight. Surgery enhances results. It does not replace healthy habits. And finally, mommy makeover is not about looking like someone else. It's about feeling like yourself again. Motherhood changes you, but that doesn't mean you stop caring about yourself. Talk to a qualified plastic surgeon. Ask questions, make an informed decision. It's your body, your confidence, your choice.